Welcome back everyone. Let's access DeepSeek version 4 Flash for free on B.ai website. You can see that DeepSeek version 4 Flash is free. Input and output token is 0. You can access it for free totally. As you can see here, the notification at the top, DeepSeek version 4 Flash limited time free. For limited time, it is free. So let's access the API key and use it inside our coding agent. So first of all, open B.ai website. After opening that, click here or try B.ai or click here on this try it now. After clicking that, you will move to the chat.b.ai/chat. After coming here, now here you can switch between models, but DeepSeek version 4 Flash is free for limited time. Select it, the model changed. Now, first of all, we need to create our account, then we will access API and use it in our coding agent. Let's press login button and continue with Google. So now we will create our account inside B.ai. So the account created successfully. Okay, we logged in. Now we will get API key and use it in our coding agent. Come here to the API. You can use it in chart also. Come here to the charts and you can directly use inside the website this chart. Look at this is the chart area. You can directly use it here and select your DeepSeek version 4 Flash model here. So we will access API key through API. Come here to the API. And after coming down, as you can see, this is DeepSeek version 4 Flash, input and output is $0. It means it is totally free for limited time. So come here down and we will create our API key. As you can see here, a button create API key. Let's press this and let's assign a name. That is test DeepSeek. Confirm it and copy our API key. Okay, copy it and save it somewhere. I have saved my API key. Now we will access this DeepSeek version 4 Flash. Come here down. And as you can see, this is our API key. And this is an example how we can use. We need base URL. So as you can see here, we will just come here to the Python. And this is the base URL until version 1. And also the model, like which model you would like to use. So you can select that. That's it. Now let's open our agent. If we can use open code, kilo code, or client, any agent you want to use, so you can use that. Let's open code. Let's use VS Code editor and kilo code. I have installed the extension of kilo code and I will use kilo code. You can use open code or client or any other agent. So let's open the kilo code extension. I have already installed it. Now move to the setting of kilo code. In the setting, move to the providers. In provider, first of all, I will delete this my previous token router and ZenMax. I will disconnect them. So come here down and here we have the list of popular providers, but we will select this custom provider. Press the connect button. And we will use our own custom manually configuration. So first of all, it requires provider ID, whatever you write. So we are using B.ai. Simply, I will write B.ai. And the display name will be B.ai. B.ai like this. And the provider API OpenAI compatible. Select this one. Come down the base URL. Let's copy the base URL. Come here. So this is base URL until version 1. Copy this. Copy it and paste it here. Now we need the API key. So we already had that. So I will copy and paste our API key. So I have pasted my API key. Now we need the models. As you can see down here, we have all the models provided by B.ai. So I will select all these. Okay, here we have lots of models which are paid, but we are looking for DeepSeek version 4 Flash, which is free for us. Deselect all of them and search here for DeepSeek. As you can see, DeepSeek version 4 Flash. Select this one and add this model. So it will add it like this. This is the ID and this is the display name. You can change the display name, whatever name you assign. Let's select reasoning also and press the submit button. Yeah, the connection created. Now let's close it, and now we will select our DeepSeek version 4 Flash and start building. So we can select here a folder also. So I have opened a folder, and now come down, and here we can select our model. Let's select this. You can search or you can find by your own. So I will close these. Come here to the B.ai provider, our own custom provider, B.ai. After coming to this, we have just one model, which is DeepSeek version 4 Flash. Or you can simply search here, DeepSeek version 4 by B.ai provider. Select this. After selecting that, here you can select the mode like medium, and here come here to the this is mode, like you can select coding mode, ask mode, debug mode, and plan mode. So we will move to the ask mode. We are not writing code right now. So in ask mode, I will simply let's write hello. Like this is just a simple, and we will ask from our DeepSeek version 4 Flash. As you can see, it will answer to our query. Hello, I am ready to help with any question. You are in this directory. So what would you like to do? So I will ask now from this, what is inside this directory? So what is inside the directory? It will answer the directory is empty. It is very fast. As you can see the response. Yeah, reasoning. No output. It means, yeah, just wait. Yeah, the directory is currently empty. No files, subdirectories, and no hidden files. It is totally empty. So you can now write whatever you want and use this DeepSeek version 4 Flash model for free. As you can see, the responses are very fast, and we are getting response in just seconds. Or we can simply just ask from this, write a hello world HTML file. So hello world program by HTML. So it will just create a file, as you can see. So yeah, it is asking once in code. Yeah, we are in ask mode. So let's move to the code mode. Yeah, so simply write the file right inside or create file. So it will now create file hello world program inside a file index.html or hello.html file. Yeah, it is writing right now hello.html. Look at this is hello.html file. You can open it and see it hello world. So this was all about the DeepSeek version 4 Flash model by B.ai. This is free for limited time, so don't miss this opportunity to use this powerful AI model by DeepSeek. And it is just competing nowadays with the top end frontier models. So don't miss this opportunity and try chat.b.ai and access this model. Use it inside your coding agent. So that was all about today. DeepSeek version 4 Flash. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment. And subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos like this in the future. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.